Good day, students. Today we are looking at algebraic equation. In our last equation, we wrote a statement, then convert the statement to an equation. This equation is the same thing as the statement written in the last lecture. 7 plus x equals 20 is the same thing as saying what must be added to 7 to make 20. 14 minus x equals 9 is the same thing as saying what must be subtracted from 14 to make 9. Okay, so let's start with this work. Number one, we have 7 plus x equals 20. We want x to be alone, then 7 has to go to the other side. In our last lesson, we have to, this is plus 7, so we have to subtract 7 from both sides for x to be alone. We always focus on the side that has x. So we have 7 minus 7 plus x equals 20 minus 7. So this 7 minus 7 becomes 0, so x is alone. Always focus on the unknown. Once you focus on the unknown, the number attached to the unknown, that's what you're going to add or subtract from both sides. So we have x equals 20 minus 7, x equals 13, and that's all. So we have to do let's clean the board so we can do 2 and 3. So number 2, 14 minus s equals 9. Always focus on the side that has the unknown. What number is with the unknown? 14. This plus 14. Then you have to subtract 14 from both sides. So this will be 14 minus x equals 9 minus 14. So 14 we cancel out 14 because it will give us 0. So we are left with minus x equals 9 minus 14 minus x equals minus 5. We want x to be positive. For x to be positive, you have to multiply both sides by minus 1. Multiply both sides by minus 1. So we have minus x times minus 1 equals minus 5 times minus 1. X equals 5. Then at this number 3, here you have to cross multiply. Always start with the unknown. 3x is the unknown times 1. That will give us 3x. Then 2x times 12. 2 times 12. Then we have 3x equals 24. So for x to be alone, we have to divide by the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 3. That's the number attached to x. So we have 3x over 3 equals 24 over 3. X equals 3 and 24, 8. So we'll come to the final stage. So I'll put up your assignment for you to do. Please click the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. Thank you.